Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thank you so much again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Let's take a quick look here once more at SEI, see what's going on. Just want to give some quick kudos where kudos are due. We had some awesome trades over the weekend with our community. More specifically, some Bitcoin shorts, 32% and 45%, and an XRP short at 43. So while these were older trades that kind of were held open for longer periods, we still had some good profit there. So congrats there. But when we take a look at SEI, our long position right now is averaging at about 20 cents. And we're currently in profits. Things looked a little dicey yesterday, but honestly, for this coin, not really all that bad. Things held in pretty well, up 5% on the day, and I think we're probably going to see a bit further of a continuation. So take a look here at liquidation. Once more, locally, we can see there's a lot below the price action. That doesn't change anything at all. But furthermore, 24 cents is that close approximation of that upper liquidation. So 24 is above and 19 cents is below. We're pretty close to the middle of that range. Furthermore, though, if you look at the macro, there is just a larger concentration above the price than below. So it does incentivize the price to go higher, especially with liquidation long delta being close to break even. Now, you could argue that this is like a shift in momentum, but this is also a nice bottoming out and a bounce off that local support at that 19 to 20 cent mark. So good stuff all around, honestly. I don't feel concerned about that at all. Same thing here as well with 20.5 being that local high. That's likely the new low if the price were to come back and capitulate. So all in all, looking pretty solid here. We also got our point of control roughly at 20 cents. So once more, a lot of affirmations on 19 to 20 cents still remaining as that support range. Furthermore, taking a look at the daily time frame here, we can see that we had a bullish backtest of this descending trend. So as you can see, the price is working itself into a lower high pattern and essentially came back to retest that level. We didn't fully fill the fair value gap, so there's potential for a little bit further of a continuation lower, but that would really require Bitcoin to be like sub 100,000. At this point, Bitcoin's rallied today pretty well in the 100 to 102K range. And with increased volume, increases sustainability. And take a look at the volume here, folks. Still pretty good. The volume's quite high on the day, it hasn't even closed yet. Okay, so this is good stuff. We want to continue to pay attention to volume, make sure that we're in good shape there. But overall, even though it's diminishing somewhat over the weekend, we're starting to see that increase here again earlier today to start the week. So those are good signs. We're also above all moving averages. We have a lot of confluence there with the 20 and the 200-day simple moving average at 20 cents. So very, very good signs. And last but not least, Ichimoku Cloud trying to break back up above. This is not the greatest sign on the smaller time frames, but the 4-hour and the daily time frame still confirm further upside. So really depends on what kind of trader you are. I would say for the most part, though, it's best and safer to presume the price will continue higher based on the increased volume and more incentive for the price to go higher based on whale manipulation. So those are my 2 cents there. I hope that makes sense for you. If you want to join us over on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord, that is available for you there, of course. Thank you again so much for the awesome feedback. And obviously, if you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site linked down below. We're all trading with Bitunix as well. Phenomenal exchange. They have excellent campaigns every single month. This just finished over the weekend, so we'll go ahead and get another one together for us. But I want to say thank you to Bitunix for just being a good community for our members. All right, have yourself a good rest of your day. Thanks again for your time. Take care.